Hey guys, this is Thumbtack. In this video, we're gonna learn how to deactivate your Thumbtack account. If you don't have a Thumbtack account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you will see your profile name at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on your profile name. Then a drop-down list will appear. Click on Profile. On this page, you will see an option that says Deactivate Account. Click on Deactivate Account. Before you proceed, read this message containing important information about deactivating your account. You could also add a reason for deactivating your account, but it's just optional. Once read, click on the tick box to confirm deactivating your account. Lastly, click on the Deactivate Account button. That's how you deactivate your Thumbtack account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northviltech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.